Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the simple step to log in Texas Health. Whether you are a patient, employee, or just want to access your medical record, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's dive in. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you are using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice, make sure it is up and running. Next, in the address bar, now type in Texas Health Login and hit enter. Here, you get to see the website of Texas Health Resource. So click in this login. Now, you will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your username in this section and password in this section. Make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, double check to ensure they are accurate. Once you are sorted, now click on the login button below the login field. Once you are logged in, depending on your role and permission, you will have access to different features and resources within the platform of Texas Health. Through this way, you can log in into the Texas Health. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.